Also this is up to 4 inches, so remember to put in the pressure rating. You can put in the pressure rating, but when you're at work you're given these details. This is just for you to learn the data input, how we do it. Please remember that. So I hope we've all understood. This is our wellhead that we've designed. You can keep adding in as many components as you want. Otherwise, I'm going to save my work by clicking Ctrl S, and this is how my wellhead looks like. So if I want to view it in 3D, I'll click here and then I'll view it in 3D by rotating it around. View it in all directions I want. If I want to see in a single wellbore view how it looks like on a wellbore, I'll click there. See it. So in multiple wellbore views, this is how a wellbore looks like. So I'll click there. So here we put in the whole sections. You want to put in the mud line. The mud line is inside, so this is how it actually looks on top of our wellbore. That's how it looks like. So I hope you've really enjoyed this. You can put in all the other things and then view it. I hope you have really learned how to design your wellhead. It's a 3D wellhead. You can zoom it in, zoom it out. This is how it looks in 2D. And then if you want to see it on top of a wellbore, you click here. So remember to save your work. Ctrl S. And thank you very much for attending this. Hope we meet again tomorrow as we design the different types of rigs. We model different types of rigs in casing in open wells. Thank you very much. Still, it's me, Kiza Thomas, taking you through. I hope you're enjoying.